With Aufsite's WorkSpaces Insights Commander, you can now delve into key metrics to gain a deeper understanding of your end user's workspace performance. Say goodbye to the limitations of automatic dashboards that only provide high-level metrics without easy drill-down options. Our highly customized widgets allow you to effortlessly assess overall user performance and experience. Quickly filter on a specific workspace in order to diagnose performance, capacity, or geographic issues that often complicate troubleshooting. With Aufsite's WorkSpaces Insights Commander, you can centrally manage and administer end users' workspaces, resolving issues swiftly. Seamlessly reboot, rebuild, stop, start, or migrate a workspace instance to a different region with just one click. You can even monitor your workspace service limits or take action to increase quotas, all from the same dashboard. Save time by performing actions against multiple workspaces seamlessly from our single pane of glass.